Jobber generally earns stronger customer feedback for support responsiveness than Housecall Pro, especially when users need help with everyday issues like scheduling, invoicing, or account setup. By the end of this video, you'll know how Jobber and Housecall Pro compare on customer support, where users report the biggest frustrations, and which platform is the better choice if responsive service matters to your business. The short answer is Jobber. Both companies offer customer support and learning resources, but Jobber consistently receives more positive feedback for clear communication and timely responses. The difference becomes noticeable when you're running a busy service business. If your scheduling system, estimates, invoices, or customer information isn't working correctly, every hour of downtime can affect appointments and revenue. That's why support quality matters just as much as the software itself. Jobber has built a reputation for helping users resolve common problems without long back-and-forth conversations. Business owners frequently mention that support representatives provide practical steps instead of generic replies, making it easier to get back to work. Housecall Pro also offers customer support and an extensive knowledge base. Many users report positive experiences, especially for routine questions. However, more reviews mention slower response times during complex technical issues or billing questions compared with Jobber. That doesn't mean Housecall Pro has poor customer service. It simply receives more mixed feedback. Some users report excellent experiences, while others describe longer wait times depending on the issue and support demand. Another factor is onboarding. Jobber users often highlight the availability of training resources that make learning the platform easier. Housecall Pro also provides setup guidance, but new users sometimes mention a steeper learning curve because of the platform's broader feature set. No software company resolves every support request immediately. Account-specific problems, payment issues, or technical investigations can take longer regardless of which platform you use. Reading the help documentation before contacting support can also save time for simple questions. If responsive support is one of your top priorities, pay attention to more than feature lists. Reliable help can save hours when your team depends on scheduling jobs, collecting payments, and communicating with customers every day. So, which platform has better support response? Based on user feedback, Jobber has the stronger overall reputation. Housecall Pro remains a capable field service platform, but Jobber is more consistently praised for responsive and helpful customer service. The key points are simple. Jobber receives more consistently positive reviews for support responsiveness. Housecall Pro offers solid support, but more mixed user experiences, and choosing software with dependable customer service can be just as valuable as choosing software with the most features. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward software comparisons.